Table Tuesday, just sharing with you, use what you have. These are flowers from over there somewhere along the street. These I brought back from my trip to Tunisia years ago, and they're beautiful, and they're from my trip. It's always a great conversation piece. Everything else, this is from France, of course, the fringe, right? From France. It's not a towel this time, but this is a bedspread. It's a small bedspread, something, a throw that you put over a couch or a bed, at the end of a bed, and I use it as a tablecloth because I love it. I love the texture of it. It's thick, right? So you don't need to you don't need to iron it. You just throw it over either your couch, your table, or your bed. So here I started using this twine, and I'm not crazy about just like the loose bow because I don't think it looks that great. So this is really inexpensive. This twine just costs a couple of dollars, and you can use it for so many things. We use the twine here on these mason jars to make the decorative feature of the mason jars right here, so they're not just a plain mason jar. And you can tie a bow with them or just do it around and around. And I'm holding it together here with tape. You can glue gun it together or glue it with Elmer's glue or with tape for the night if you just want them back normal again. So the twine is something I use when you make roast beef. You use it as decorative, and I use it also as to hold my napkins together as a napkin holder if you don't want to buy napkin holders. So instead of doing the bow, what I've decided to do is to do the same idea as this, but on my napkin, so it's reminiscent of it. And that's just, you go around in circles. You can do it and tuck it underneath. So you have your napkin this way, and you unfold it like that. It's kind of just like a loose, very casual. And I like that better than the bow. I didn't really like this. That's what I was first doing. This is better like that. The other way you can do it, again, twine, it's very cheap, very fun, you can use it for so many things, is if you don't like the triangle way, you cut it back into a square, fold it over, and do the same idea. You take the twine out, and you loosely, twine is great. Twine is your friend. Trust me. Twine is your friend for so many things. I didn't know about twine like this until my friend Bill came and taught me how to wrap a roast beef, which I had never done. So I was a vegetarian for years, and then I decided to start eating meat. And I was having my family over, my in-laws over, and I'm like, I need to learn how to make a roast. So he came over, my friend Bill, he'll be back again one day, and showed me how to wrap it. And I said, where do I get that? Because I'd like to use it for other things. And there you go. So you can do it two ways. See, there's one way like this, right? So there you have it on your plate. That's it, piece of twine, piece of twine. You can do it this way. You can do it this way. And you can also use it like that. So the many uses of twine, there are so many uses of twine. I'll be bringing them back in other videos for you and using them differently, but that's it for today. The use of twine. Voila. That's it. Oops.